How to remove backgrounds in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing how you can remove backgrounds on any of your images in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing is that let's say I want to upload my own image. So I'm going to choose the file over here on my Canva account. And I'm just going to go on ahead and use this image as a reference. So I'm going to open this image up and I'm going to click on use in a new design, and I'm going to click on custom size and create new design. Now this will open up the image that I have used. Now this is a pretty simple image of a woman doing her makeup, and I want only this section of the woman to be apparent in our scene. So how can you do that in Canva? Well, it's pretty simple and easy. You're just going to upload your image as we did. Now, after you have uploaded your image, you're going to click on apps on the bottom left. Once you click on apps, you can search for remove BG, or if you can't find it, you can just scroll down over here and you will see an option called backgrounds. And if you keep on scrolling down over here, you're going to find an option of removing background. So just scroll down and we are going to search for our option somewhere around here. If you can't find it, then don't worry, you can always search for it. So you guys can see there are a bunch of different options available. You have the popular ones over here and above that. So you can just scroll around over here to find the magic remover, or the background remover. If you can't find it, you can search for remove background. And you're going to be able to find it over here. You guys can see you have a bunch of different options. You can even go into your apps section to see your apps that you have already integrated in case you have already integrated the background remover option. So we're going to click on the Canva apps and we're going to go on ahead and type in remove background. And you guys can see there are multiple different background removers, and even when you click on edit photo directly, you will see that currently, because I am running on the pro version of Canva, I already have the background remover added in my Magic Studio, so I don't have to go into the app section. However, if you are running on a previous version of Canva or you're using a non-premium account, you do have to go into the apps to find the background remover. So now what we're going to do in our pro account is we're just going to select the image, click on edit photo, and once you do that, you're going to find your Magic Studio, which is, the new section of Canva. And in this, you have your background remover. You also have a magic eraser, magic expand, as well as magic edit, magic grab, and grab text. So I'm going to click on remove background. And what this will do is that this will automatically look at the main item or person, and it will remove all other backgrounds. So you guys can see it has removed the background. However, it has kept the items that were present in the forefront of this particular image because it is considering them as the forefront items, not as something that has been removed. Now, if you want to edit the background, so if you might want to keep certain elements, you can double click on the background remover and you will have your original image that you can choose to see and the removed version. Then you can choose a particular type of brush you want. So if you want to restore certain elements or if you want to erase more. Let's say I want to erase the chair behind this person. So I'm going to click on the erase element and I can choose a brush size. So I'm going to choose a larger brush size and I'm just going to remove this section from over here. Now, once you have removed a certain part, you can always just zoom in a little. And you can go ahead and once you've zoomed in, you can choose a smaller brush size just to make it easier for you to remove the rest of the item from here. And you can easily do this with a brush and remove any of the elements that you don't want in your particular removed image. So we can just do this over here and we're just going to gloss over the product section as well, like this. Let's say I just want to zoom in a little over here as well, and you can obviously shape it however you want, but just like that we have removed the chair from behind this person. Now in case I ever want to restore any element, I can choose the restore brush and I can restore the section behind her like this. So in this way you can remove the background, and you can always edit it further or make sure to remove or add any element that was supposed to be in the forefront of your image. Now, other than that, you have a bunch of other amazing features on Canva as well. So by clicking on the photo, you can click on edit photo, and now you'll even have a magic eraser. So let's say we have our magic eraser over here, and we select, this makeup product over here. Now, once I select this makeup product, what the Canva tool is going to do is that it is going to look around the entire image and the context of that image. It's going to find the most suitable way for it to be removed. So you guys can see it has just removed the item from the table. And you can do this with a lot of items. You can do this with, particular blemishes you might want to remove on models, if you want to remove flyaways in photo shoots, all that stuff. So you can do all of that with the magic eraser as well. You also have a magic edit feature now, so you can choose a area to edit. So let's say I want this to be this particular brush, and you're going to click on continue, and now what you're going to do is you're going to describe your edit. So I want this to be a pink makeup brush like this, and after that you're going to click on generate, and then it's going to make your edits. Obviously, the better your description is, the more removed your item is, it's going to be better if you do it like I did. So I just, took an item that's very much incorporated into a lot of the elements. It's incorporated into the face, the hand, it's being held up. So the results are not going to look as nice. However, if it's an item that is segregated, then it can be a whole lot easier for the particular AI to edit it. So even now it has edited most of it. So you guys can see it's edited the color of the bristles to be pink, as our directions asked for a pink makeup brush. So in this way, you can remove backgrounds on Canva. Now, keep in mind, this is a feature only available on Canva Pro. So if you're someone that is not looking to upgrade on Canva Pro, you can always use the link provided in the description box down below to get started with a free trial of Canva Pro. However, if your free trial expires and you feel like this is only a feature that you use once in a blue moon, then I have some alternate options for you guys as well. So there's this website called remove.bg. And this is a simple tool that can help you in removing items from the backgrounds. So you can go into remove.bg, and we're going to upload our same file. This is a pretty high quality file, so it's easier to remove backgrounds from here. And we're just going to upload this into remove.bg, and it will remove the background for you. However, it does not have the same type of tools and capacities as Canva does. So you guys can see we have our download HD and download options for our background removed image. Now, in this way, you can remove any background from any image on Canva. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.